Eco Food Wrap was born from my desire to be with my family and create a sustainable future for our children.
Moving from an inner city lifestyle to an off-grid property with a dream and no idea, it really was the beginning of our journey. We began to reevaluate our position within our natural environment. That's when we really began to understand how important it was for us to begin to create a more sustainable one. We're consuming resources at an alarming rate and filling up our oceans and landfills with plastic.
Using organic ingredients, beeswax collected from our hives, jojoba oil, tree resin, we infuse this into an organic cloth, creating a reusable food wrap. Using the warmth of your hands, wrap molds around your food, creating a seal. Naturally occurring antibacterial properties help to keep your food fresher for longer. Eco Food Wrap is a solution to reduce our toxic plastic consumption. It's reusable, biodegradable and compostable with all natural ingredients, reducing our impact upon the environment.
And not only did we begin to understand where we fit in our natural world, but we also began to understand our dire need to create a more sustainable one. We pass that knowledge on to our children so that they too can understand and nurture the world that sustains them, in the hope that they can create their own sustainable futures. And that's what Eco Food Wrap is to us. It's more than just a convenient way for us to keep our food fresh. It's our life, it's our family, it's our journey.